Hey everyone, this is Mark from Street Bite Reviews, and here I am in Hopewell Junction, New York at Hopewell Pizza. I have to say I was pleasantly surprised when I walked in to see that they had a whole variety of pizza, but on top of that, they have some real specials on the menu that are a real delicacy. They told me they had buffalo chicken egg rolls, and I was like, let's give it a go. I gotta try that, that sounds delicious. And I have to say, the crunch on these things as well as the taste, it's amazing. I would have to rate this a 9.8 out of 10. Hot, fresh, tasty. If there was only one of these things left, I'd be fist fighting for it. This place is full of surprises. Come by today, check it out. You will not be discouraged. I'm telling you, the price on point for good pizza and for good food.